What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we are talking about something every desk really needs. If you are searching for the best keyboard cleaner kit to keep your gadgets fresh and dust-free, you are going to love this one. It is compact, smart, and packed with useful tools for daily cleaning. Let's get started. The product we are looking at is the Spogi Keyboard Cleaner Kit. This is not just a simple brush in a box. The Spogi Keyboard Cleaner Kit is designed as a complete cleaning solution for your electronics. It even doubles as a cell phone stand, which is a nice bonus for your desk setup. So while you keep your devices clean, you also get extra convenience. Inside the Spogi Keyboard Cleaner Kit, you get a carefully selected set of tools. There is a high-density long brush that easily sweeps away dust and crumbs from your keyboard and desk. It reaches between the keys without scratching them. You also get a key puller that helps you safely remove keys when you want to deep clean underneath. This protects your keyboard and helps extend its life. The kit also includes a memory foam stick and a nib cleaner. These are perfect for tight spaces and small openings. They help you clean corners and edges where dirt usually hides. There is even a small 3 milliliter keyboard cleaner air spray. This pushes out trapped dust from hard-to-reach areas, giving your keyboard and other devices a fresh start. For screen care, the Spogi Keyboard Cleaner Kit provides lens cleaning cloths and wash flannels. These are soft and gentle, so they clean screens without leaving scratches or marks. You can use them on laptops, tablets, and even Bluetooth headsets. The hidden brush and card extractor add even more flexibility, making this kit truly all-in-one. Another smart feature is the built-in phone holder. It turns part of the kit into a simple stand for your phone. This keeps your device upright while you work or watch something. It is a small touch, but it adds real value to your desk space. The Spogi Keyboard Cleaner Kit is also lightweight and compact. You can easily carry it in your bag or keep it in a drawer. It does not take up much space, yet it gives you everything you need to maintain a clean workspace. The portable design makes it easy to keep your electronics looking neat wherever you are. With professional-grade tools and a thoughtful design, the Spogi Keyboard Cleaner Kit helps protect your devices and keep them performing well. It is simple, practical, and very easy to use. Small tool, big difference. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.